welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Arrest criminal Nigerians, will support deportation of Nigerians staying illegally, but do not target all. Nigerian ambassador's exclusive interview. Attack on MLA Wagh invites criticism for BJP. Mahila Morcha loses calm over Aruna Wagh's remarks. Demands apology. 4 days later, no more arrest. It's Aam Aadmi's government in Delhi. Congress gives conditional support. Kejriwal to take chief ministerial oath at Ramleela on 26th. Three bungalows looted at Khandola. Robbers decamped with gold worth 6 lakh rupees and cash of 5,000. Police suspect gang of non-Goans behind robbery. New GPCC president drops a bombshell. Says High Command is in process of changing opposition leader. Says doors are open for Vishnu's return. Now the news in detail. Arrest of Nigerians involved in illegalities will not be opposed. Full cooperation for deporting Nigerians staying illegally in Goa, but do not target all Nigerians. Nigerian ambassador stated this during a special interview exclusively given to Prudent. This was ambassador's first visit to Goa after the Nigerian ruckus on 30th October.
You are primarily saying that you don't mind Indian authorities to arrest Nigerians involved in narcotics trade, but arrest Indians too.
Drugs, excuse me, not just only drugs.
Yes.
Any Nigerian found not to be obeying the laws, norms and regulations wherever they are, the host community, should of course be held accountable.
You have met Chief Minister. You have also met Director General of Police. Absolutely. What is the response you have got from the state administration?
Our meetings were very positive and constructive. I met a very receptive, warm-hearted Chief Minister who listened most of the time and was more sympathetic and appreciative of the welfare of Nigerians.
This whole, even the terminology of Goa crisis, I think this has created a lot of flutter even back in Nigeria. Yes. How badly have been our diplomatic relations been hit?
I will tell you, it was really badly hit after. Normally, it is natural that when your own citizen is murdered, especially in the way this young man was murdered, naturally you have to feel aggrieved. We were well aggrieved. But time has passed on, and we have been communicating, and especially with the conveyance of a message of regret to Nigeria. Normally tempers are coming down, tension is coming down.
What do you think Nigeria should do now? What are the extra 2 steps that your nation needs to walk?
I don't. For us, we don't have much of a burden. I've already conveyed our determination and commitment to the local authorities, especially the Chief Minister, that please we'll cooperate with you in case there are cases of people who have expired visas, undocumented. We'll cooperate with you to assist and facilitate their exit from India, especially if they're not wanted any longer. Goa
police immediately swung into the action, and they arrested most of the people who were involved into the murder. Are you satisfied with the investigation?
Absolutely, that's another step. So those steps, the demand we made actually are being fulfilled. First of all, they have arrested many of them, the suspects and the culprits who were involved, and we were assured they were also going to be prosecuted.
BJP Mahila Morcha has demanded immediate apology from Aruna Wagh for her stinging and derogatory remarks over CM and the Sangathan Mantri of the BJP Satish Dhon. 4 days have gone by for the attack. Mapsa police have managed to arrest only one attacker so far. MLA Vishnu Surya Wagh was attacked by a mob in Revoda. MLA Vishnu Surya Wagh's wife going all out against the BJP leaders has invited the anger of the BJP Mahila Morcha.
सांतांद्रेच्या आमदार विष्णू वाघ यांच्यो ज्यो पत्नी आसा ह्यो आमच्या गोयच्या माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर तशेंच आमची जी पार्टीचे पदाधिकारी आसा यांचेर नाका आसलेले आरोप ती करीत आसा हेचोय आमी निशेध करता.
The Talegaon wing of the BJP Mahila Morcha has strongly condemned the verbal attack of Aruna Wagh over CM and the BJP.
आमकां तिणें माफी मागिल्ली जाय. मुख्यमंत्र्याची आमच्या तिणें माफी मागची. ती जर माफी मागना जाल्यार आमी तालिगांवच्यो सगळ्यो महिला तिचे तोंड काळे करतल्यो. तालिगांव तिका एंट्री घेवंक दिवच्यो ना.
The Speaker of Goa Assembly says it's an attack on democracy.
कुठल्याही प्रकारे कोणावरही हल्ला होणं हे चुकीचं आहे. लोकशाहीत अशा गोष्टी चालत नसतात. त्यामुळे याची योग्य पद्धतीची चौकशी मला वाटतं सरकार करत आहे. ती तशीच व्हावी आणि जो कोण दोषी आहे त्याला त्यात शिक्षा मिळावी.
Meanwhile, Vishnu Wagh was discharged from the GMC after 4 days of medical observation. He was admitted for complaint of hypertension. Bureau Report, Prudent. After a lot of hiccups, finally Aam Aadmi Party is forming government in Delhi. Congress has extended its support to the AAP. Arvind Kejriwal is set to be sworn in as the Chief Minister. Kejriwal will take oath on 26 December at Ramlila Maidan. After a week of drama and uncertainties, Aam Aadmi Party is set to form government in Delhi. Delhi Assembly poll results were out on 8 December. However, no party had got a clear majority in the elections. In the end, the AAP resorted to people's opinion by hosting a SMS poll and 184 public meets all over Delhi. According to AAP claims, the SMS and the internet campaign received a response of around 7 lakh people, out of which 74% have asked AAP to form Delhi government.
संख्या में लोग कह रहे हैं कि आम आदमी पार्टी को सरकार बनानी चाहिए, तो मैं अब यहाँ से उपराज्यपाल महोदय के पास जा रहा हूँ. ये सब अफवाहें चल रही हैं कि कोई और मुख्यमंत्री हो सकता है, अरविंद केजरीवाल कुछ और भूमिका निभा सकते हैं. पार्टी ने तय किया है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल ही मुख्यमंत्री होंगे.
हमने तो सीधा साधा काम यही करा था कि समर्थन दिया. आउटसाइड समर्थन अनकंडीशनल नहीं है, ये मैं स्पष्टता से कहना चाहती हूँ.
दिल्ली की जनता से एक प्रकार का धोखा है, क्योंकि दिल्ली की जनता ने भ्रष्ट कांग्रेस को 2013 के चुनाव में पूरी तरह से रिजेक्ट किया और उसी भ्रष्ट कांग्रेस के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके आम आदमी पार्टी आज दिल्ली में सरकार बनाने जा रही है.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, प्रूडेंट. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.